Yan, kung kami sa mga
Cake ko siya.
sa balay ka, paganahan ka. Nakikita ka. Nakita ko ba mo?
You're very looking bad, ah.
Because my video is all fun pa eh. Ano serious? Okay.
I make a makeup chante, then you make good.
No need lang. There's no need to make up. This is really normal and natural. Natural beauty dapat ni. No need to make up. What for? You must do, what is it? You must to show your reality. You must to show your originality. Yeah. So, ganda. Kung pa-beauty daw, mi. Magpa-makeup ko na siya makatubang sa camera. Yun ko. Kung siya mo dahil, beauty dire. Show your original beauty. Wala man siya, guys. She's beautiful. You see beautiful. Yeah, 15 days only. Mungkin I have only 2,400 in salary. Sudah tak counted. Ingredients? Yeah. This one you put a soap. When you make a dried fish, you must have a soap. You put that in wash, you wash carefully, you wash very well. After that, you put a little salty. Soap if you want salty. But if you don't want salty, you don't put water. This is another thing. You make it directly in the sea. It's only the water of the sea put and then direct. You need to put soap. That's why.
And you fry or?
Fried because the dry is fried. Nice. Namunta na siya, guys. Masala pag-buwas na siya sa mga bulan. Ito kung gusto siya. No?